Hi, welcome to the Product Tech Lab. This chapter will be show the how to deploy the vCenter in the ESXi. Already, I have deployed the ESXi in our environment. Just now, I want to see that when I would like to share with you guys how to deploy the vCenter. Okay. Well, so I have already mounted these things. We see a UI installer here. This is installer. Double click on it. Click on install. Click on next. I accept terms and conditions. Click on next. Due to the FQDN, my FQDN is mgmt dot home lab dot local username and give it to the password. Click on next. Okay, the certificate has been matched between ESX and vCenter. So that means if we have any kind of certificate like this is we have my ESXi server, okay, ESXi, and this server it is built the VC and both the certificate has been matched. It has been showed over this. So now click on yes, then it will be okay for it. Okay. So basically, I am doing one thing. I just review it and click yes and click on yes. Okay. This is validating. Okay. This is a put the name. Okay. I have put the name like vCenter Lab, vCenter hyphen lab. Put the password. Put the password. Click on next. Okay, we have required for the small, tiny for lab purpose. This is multiple things: tiny, small, medium, large, X large. Production environment is required medium and large or X large. Tiny is required for the lab section. Lab is okay for me, so I would like to choose tiny. Data store. This is the two data store is showing. This is I have two data store, but there is only one data store. Why? Because this is not marked anything. So we need to associate it to my that part. So mgmt.homelab.local. Click on advanced. Click on proceed. I need to put the username and put the password. Okay. Click on OK and go to the storage. New data store, create new VMFS. This is I put the name DS1. Click on next and finish. Yes. Okay, it is done. So I'm going to this. Just give it to the back and again click on next. Yeah, now it can be show. So DS1. So click on next. So we need to FQDN vcenter.home lab.local, IP address 192.168.56.200. Okay, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Need to get 192.168.56.2. DNS server 192.168.56.170. So my network is 192.168.56.0/24. FQDN I have put vCenter home lab.local, and this is all the information I have put. Okay, now click on next, and all the information is showing. Let me before finish, you need to re-verify it. So I just click on finish. It's taking time 5 to 10 minutes. Well, so it has been done successfully stage one. Now I am doing the stage two. Okay, so you can do the continue, and this is setup now vCenter. Okay, click on next. Okay, this is the SSO domain. Why it is required, I'm telling you. So this is basically required for the UI login purpose. Okay, UI login means if you have any kind of already we have a vCenter, right? So vCenter already deployed, and after this configuration, so this vCenter has put the username and password. Okay, username and password pwd over the https colon double front slash and name or IP address, like my home lab is vcenter dot home lab dot local. When I hit the enter, so that time taking coming pop up the username and password. So this username and password is giving over this. Okay, so this is the password and this is the confirmation password. This is my username administrator and this is the SSO domain. So when username is coming, so that time administrator at the rate vSphere local and password will be put in over this. Okay, so that's why it is required. So now I am doing one thing, just I'm going to the click on the next, so then can proceed to next things. Okay, this all are okay with it and click on next and just it put check the one more time, all the things is okay, so click on finish. And one more thing, after I click the okay, so we could not change anything about it. So before we do the finish, so I need to re-verify about it. As of now all are okay, so I need to click on okay. Okay, it's take another 10 to 15 minutes. Please wait and stay with us. Okay, as you see, we can see the URL, how to access this URL. Okay, like this. Okay, HTTPS vCenter Home Lab for 3. So if I click, click and redirect to browser, and we can open it and take the username and password. So let's do it. Okay, this is delete. You can close. Okay, so if I do the click and it is opening, it is advanced, to proceed, then launch vSphere client and it is loading. Okay, and well, and this is the put the username password ADMI. Yes, to your administrator. I will just make sure that okay. Increase page login. Great. It is successfully logged in. So that means we can see all the details. This is my vCenter. You can see now all the details loading. Yeah. Now we can see the all the details, manager license and all those parts. Okay, and you can see the version. Just like I give it the detail, we can see the version. Just like you can see the version, what is the build, what is the last update, okay, any cluster or not, okay, this is the vCenter, my local .NET, this is the networking tab, the data store, the information, okay, monitor, you can do it, configure permission, all the things you can see over this, okay. So that's the all, and you can see the situation, memory, storage, all the information over this, okay. So vCenter detail. So it is much more that when it is information is required for the how to that when how many CPU, how many memory, storage, all you can see over this, and it is, and this is a recent task that when all the information, and if you add anything or if you edit anything, so all the alarm you can see over the recent tasks and alarm. So that's all. That means it is not much more. So that's all, my friends. So we'll be seeing you next chapter, and have some.